Welcome back to Hawkenstein, ladies and gentlemen. We're back with that Rogue transmission transfer case. Job was done. Sent the car off to the Nissan dealership to be programmed. And the transmission we got from the junkyard was no good. Unable to program. So here we are, back tearing it apart again. I am about 3.5 hours into the job. Motor and tranny are out of the vehicle, getting ready to separate the transmission from the motor. Hopefully have the new transmission in a day or two and ready to put it back in. Alright everybody, thanks for watching.